back to my YouTube channel Tech Tips. Today we are talking about what is a loan. Explore what a loan and the types of loan will also be discussed. What is loan and its types? A loan is money borrowed from a bank or other financial institution. The borrower agrees to repay principal amount plus interest. Loan may be secured or unsecured and they may be open-ended or close-ended. What is an example of a loan? One example of a loan is a car loan. This is a closed-end loan, meaning there is a fixed principal amount, term, and regular monthly payment. What are the five types of loan? There are many types of loan. Some of the most popular ones are car loan, student loan, home loan, mortgage, business loan, and credit cards. What is a loan? A loan is a money borrowed from a bank to our financial institution. The borrower agreed to pay back the principal amount of loan plus interest. There are several types of loan, including car loan, student loan, and home mortgage. Attribute of loan. Although there are several different type of loan which will be discussed, and all loan have several common attribute. Principal: the original amount of loan or money borrowed. Interest: a percentage of the principal the lender charges the borrower. This money must be paid along with the original amount borrowed. The term: length of time it will take for a borrower to repay the original principal and interest completely. A loan that is expected to be repaid within a year or less is considered short term, while anything longer than a year is considered a long term loan. Payment amount: the dollar amount the borrower agreed to repay each month. This payment include both principal and interest. If a borrower chooses to pay over a payment amount in a given month, the extra money will be directly paid down the interest. The loan process: if someone wants to apply for a loan, there are several important steps to follow. There, these may vary slightly depending on the type of loan, but in general, these steps are: what is a loan? If you have never received a loan to purchase something, you are currently certainly in the minority. Loan can be a great thing, but they can also get you in trouble. One of the keys to being financially successful is understanding which loan are good solution for your situation. Loan are never a good idea if you can't afford to pay them back in required time frame. Let's explore what a loan is and find out some of the common ways to borrow money. A money is when you receive money. A loan is when you receive money from a friend, a bank, or financial institution in exchange for future repayment of principal plus interest. The principal is amount you borrowed and the interest is the amount charged for receiving the loan. Since lenders are taking a risk that you may not repay the loan, they have to offset that risk by charging a fee known as interest. Loans typically are secured or unsecured. A secured loan involve pledging and assessed as collateral for loan. If borrower default or doesn't pay back the loan, the lender take possession of assessed. And unsecured loan option is preferred but not as common. If the borrower doesn't pay back the unsecured loan, the lender doesn't have the right to take anything in return. Thank you so much guys for watching and must subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Tips. Keep watching, keep supporting.